Hello, good afternoon. My name is Antje Meyer. I'm one of the directors of the Max Planck Institute for Psycholinguistics in Nijmegen in the Netherlands. Our institute studies language, all aspects of language, that is, how language can be described in linguistic terms as a formal system, how children and adults learn language, how we use language when we speak and when we write, when we listen and when we read. We also study the biological basis of language, that is, how language is represented in the brain, and which genetic factors allowed humans as a species to acquire language. Now, my department is the Psychology of Language department, and we study, among other things, how language is used in conversation, in chatting. Many of you will probably have missed chatting during the pandemic. We like chatting. It is easy, it is enjoyable, and it doesn't seem to require much effort. Nevertheless, when you look at the underlying processes, what happens in your brain and in your mind when you talk, it's very complex. And in my talk, I will talk about these complexities, why actually speaking and conversation is a really difficult skill. And I will also talk about the ways that we have, as speakers and listeners, developed to mitigate these difficulties. So what do we do in order to make language, chatting in particular, easy and enjoyable? I will also talk a little bit about the research tools that we have in order to study conversation. So at the end of the talk, I hope that you will walk away with a kind of new respect for the art of conversation. See you soon.